This is a 2025 Ram 2500, and we're giving it away. We started with the 2025 Ram 2500, and we worked with some of the best brands who put in the most work in the industry. Now you may be asking, guys, what is on the truck? Well, come here, let me show you. Not only did we start with a 2025 Ram 2500 Bighorn Night Edition with a 6.7 in it, we've got a Kryptonite leveling kit. Check out these radius arms, those things are beef. We've got some raised wheels wrapped in Firestone Destination MT2s. And check this out, we're not done yet, guys. We're topping it off with a Gen Y drop hitch. Now, I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm super jealous that we're giving this thing away, but hey, we gotta do it. If you guys wanna get entered to win this thing, check out the link in our bio. Every dollar spent on the website equals one entry. You could also get entered for free, no purchase necessary. Don't miss out.